Good morning, everybody. How you doing? Happy first day of the week. Well, this morning we're out here getting this area ready for gardening. They're out here in this area where there's still grass and it hasn't been tilled yet. There's some strawberries growing up wild that were here for a couple years, so we're going to have to hand do this and not use a tiller this morning. So that's today's project. These are the strawberry plants right here. See those?
We are working in the garden. You heard my husband talk a little bit this morning about what he's planning on doing, and I wanted to show you and give you a little bit of an update of what the land looks like and the work that we have done so far. It's a lot of work. There's still a lot to be done. Put the seeds inside in my plants so that we can have a wonderful harvest come spring and summer this year. So it does take time and work, but I want to show you guys what we're doing so far. So let's go take a peek. Alrighty, so as you can see here, we have worked diligently to get our rows started. We've been sifting the dirt, our little sifters over there. Some of you, this may not be the optimal way of working the land, but for right now, that's what we're doing, and we just feel that's where our Heavenly Father has directed us, and also my husband has told us to do, so I'm being very obedient to that. So I am right now getting my seeds in, and so far, let's see, I'm going to bring you over here. So far, I've got some Lanacito kale that I am planting. Let's go this way. What else have I got? I got some Swiss chard that the owners gave me to put down in the ground. She loves Swiss chard. I've got some beets happening. I'm going to throw in some red romaine. I'm going to see if cilantro is going to end up working well for us. It is getting warmer, so I'm not too sure how that'll hold up. I know in the high desert it was very difficult to grow cilantro, so we'll see how it does here. And then I've got some cabbage I'd like to put in here shortly also. So we've got 3 rows that I'm working in right now, actually 2.5. And hopefully in the next day or two we'll have that row going in the back. And as you can see back here, we have our little lattice here on this side, and there's a lattice on the other side of this little contraption here that we were using. So it's quite exciting. I'm very